The doctors couldn't find the cause of his pain. But God knew. And while the world offered no answers, grace began to speak in whispers, through sleep, through herbs, through stillness. The doctors couldn't find the cause of his pain, because grief doesn't always show up on scans. Sometimes it lives in the soul. And healing begins in silence. This is part 2 of Davy's journey. A story of quiet restoration. Of grace that whispers when the world goes quiet. Healing doesn't always come with answers. Sometimes it comes with presence. With sleep. With stillness. With grace. Davy often found solace in the quiet, where the chaos of life faded into the background. Each night, he nestled into his blankets, allowing the gentle rhythm of his breath to guide him toward a fragile peace. It was within this stillness that whispers of hope began to take root, slowly mending the tears within his heart. His mind would drift, imagining a world painted with colors only visible when everything else was muted. In those moments, Davy sensed the gentle fingers of grace tracing the edges of his pain, reminding him that healing does not always need a grand stage. Sometimes, it thrives in the simplest of acts. Davy learned to embrace the silence, feeling it cradle him like a warm embrace. As the world outside buzzed relentlessly, he found a sanctuary in his own thoughts. Each passing day became a tender reminder that even in the absence of answers, he was surrounded by love, and that alone was enough to light his way forward. Davy's journey of healing taught him that even when no one else understood his struggles, he was held in divine hands. Each small triumph in stillness revealed a profound truth. The grace he sensed was not an absence of pain, but a gentle presence walking with him through the quiet chaos of life. If you're hurting in ways no one sees, let this be your reminder. God is near. His grace is enough. You are still standing. And you are not alone. Subscribe for more, share this story with someone who needs it.